Congratulations to all our winners this day. Yes, from our morning draw to our afternoon draws, and we are expecting winners this evening for the last draw, which is the Niger Gold. Alright, if you check your time, it is 10:45 p.m. and I am your lovely anchor, Francisca. Alright, in our machine we have a total of 90 balls, number 1 to 90. And this machine here will select 5 winning numbers for this evening's draws. Alright, so bring out your tickets and keep your fingers crossed. We're wishing you the very, very best of luck, as you all know that our game is a game of luck. Okay, let the games begin. As we expect the first number, the Niger Gold. Alright, it's out. We have number 28. Number 28 is our first number for the Niger Gold. And our second number, we have number 81. Number 81. Third number, we have number 50. Number 50. 2 more numbers to go. Right. And we have single 4. Single 4. And the last number for the Niger Gold this evening, we have number 30. Number 30 of 5 numbers, winning numbers for the Niger Gold this evening. Okay, you can see that the machine selects the numbers, and now it has selected the winning numbers for the Niger Gold this evening. Now I'm going to call the numbers one more time, so do listen attentively while you press check your tickets. Number 28, number 81, number 50, single 4, and number 30. Congratulations to our winners this evening for the Niger Gold. As you all know, the winners always emerge from Niger Lottery. We're moving on to the next one, which is called the machine numbers. That's right, second chance, my people. If you know you purchased the machine number ticket, this is for you. I am talking to you out there. This is another second chance for you to win this evening, okay? If your numbers didn't come out from the winning numbers, you need to keep your fingers crossed, and I can tell if your numbers come out for the machine numbers. So once again, we're wishing you the very best of luck. Okay, we're expecting the first number for the machine. Our first number this evening, we have number 66. Our first number for the machine this evening. Alright, single 2. Single 2. Third number. Alright, let's go. Number 83. Number 83. We're expecting 2 once again tomorrow. So keep on trying, okay? Now if you want to watch our draws live, yes, we're welcoming everyone from everywhere to watch the draws at our head office. Number 20 Ikorodu Road, Jibowu. Yes, our gates are wide open for everyone, okay? So do tell your friends, do tell your colleagues, tell everyone everywhere, tell your neighbors, okay, about Niger Lottery. You come and watch the draws live from Monday to Sunday to see the draws, okay? The winning numbers and the machine numbers. Alright, let's not waste any time at all. We want to move on to the next one, which is called the instant game. We want to talk about that. It's a 1 out of 36 game. As you play, the result comes out from a machine. It's instant, okay? So do visit our neighbor agent and ask them about the 1 out of 36 game. They'll explain it to you and you can play and win. You don't want to miss out from the action. Alright? Niger Lottery is also on social media pages. Yes, we're there to make sure we spread the word about Niger Lottery. To see the winning numbers and the machine numbers. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, and of course we're on YouTube. We do have our channel there, so do subscribe to see the winning numbers and the machine numbers, and of course to see how the machine dishes out the winning numbers and the machine numbers, okay? No hanky-panky at Niger Lottery. For more information and more inquiries, do call our customer care lines. As you can see, the numbers are on the screen. So do call and find out anything whatsoever, okay? We wish you the very best of luck. Continue to patronize Niger Lottery. Have a lovely, beautiful night and